Outpost Anywhere is a powerful mobile data collection tool which can cut assessment field time and data inputting in half. Outpost automatically downloads and links key assessment inventory, improvements, and photos from RPS version 4 to Samsung, Lenovo, and similar tablet devices. While in the field, the data collector can simply update and amend the RPS data on file for each parcel while also capturing new photographs. Changes in new photographs are automatically entered into the RPS system upon return to the office, eliminating time-consuming data entry and increasing accuracy. Outpost is intuitive and easy to use. Before going into the field, log in to Outpost. Search and select the necessary work package or PID for that day. Once in the field, Outpost does not require a live network or cellular connection. All changes and new photos are saved locally on the tablet and can be synced with your main RPS database after your work has been completed. Outpost includes useful navigational features, including tax maps, links to Google Maps, and parcel-related documents, including sketches and surveys. You can also tap here to view a property record card rendition for any parcel. When you arrive at a parcel, pull up the saved PID. The initial screen will show the default photo displayed with the parcel's improvement information. Tap Edit to begin inputting data. To add an improvement, tap the plus sign and start filling in the fields. Tap the Info button for a structure code reference card. When you're finished, tap Save. Notes can be added in the same way. Tap Create New Note and begin either typing your note or use Outpost's voice-to-text feature to simply dictate your observations. Tap Add Note when you're finished. Outpost will always prompt you before leaving a screen with unsaved changes. Capturing photos is by far Outpost's most popular and useful feature. Images can be added quickly and easily with the onboard camera. The camera icon is always available in the Outpost toolbar for ready access. Tapping the camera tool will open the camera on your tablet. Now take a photo, and when you're satisfied with it, hit OK. You can add captions to all new photos. You can also set a new photo as the RPS default. You may take as many photos as desired for each parcel. Outpost will manage their RPS upload and organization at sync time. Simply tap Save after each photo is taken before the next shot. While using Outpost, every saved edit and new photo will increment the number of items queued by the Sync button on the toolbar. Data syncing should be turned off while working in the field. It is best practice to sync when your tablet has a solid and reliable network connection. When you return from the field, simply tap the sync icon to switch to active sync mode. Outpost will then handle all of the data entry from that day's work. This completely eliminates the time-consuming data entry work required in traditional paper-based and digital camera efforts. Outpost is fully compatible with RPS version 4 and is extensible for use with future systems. SDG provides all of the required training and support for the administration and use of Outpost. System engineers can log on to tablets actively being used to resolve any questions that may arise. Every Outpost client has a very user-friendly administrative app to create new PIDs, track individual data collectors' progress, and more. Please contact SDG at www.sdgnys.com for more information or give us a call at 315-798-1328.